And I was like, not getting mugged. Lip gloss mugged.
Would you call this like a what? I don't know if it looks white on camera, but it's
No, it looks ivory. It looks champagne.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a champagne color. Here are the sleeves so y'all can see it. So pretty. It is.
Not the NPC, what's it called?
Oh.
That's not doing
Really?
The NPCs.
Sparkle, so good.
Sparkle's so good.
Sparkle's so good. But yeah, 30% off.
30% off, free shipping.
To the 27th.
Next one. The next one is a black with silver on the sleeves.
Also, we're having this live every day, Monday through Friday.
For an hour. Hang out with us.
Yeah.
We're going to have some showcasing, some hot topics.
Some hot topics.